Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you all are fine. So today I am bringing new PTC view earning website, and you can earn unlimited Papal from this website, and you can get instant withdrawal in your Papal account. So I am bringing a script for this website. You don't have need to any work on this website. Just run script in Termux and earn auto Papal unlimited. For hack website, you have need to watch all video, don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and script can get error. So now first off, you have required website link given description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. You can earn unlimited money from watching PTC ads, but you don't have need to earn work on this website. First off, create your account. Just click on menu bar. So here is the two option. First is registration. So click on registration for register your account. So for registration, here you have required your username, then provide your email address, confirm email, provide your password, confirm password, select your gender, select your country, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, account login successfully. So here you can see my balance. I earned in just 1 minute. So you can also earn unlimited money from this website. So here is the many option to earn, like visit PTC and many others, advertisement and more. So you don't have need to work on this website. So now for run website in Termux, you have need to required script file link given description. You will redirect to article. In article you will see script button. Click on script will be download. After downloading script, open your any Explorer APK which you use, then open and go to the download folder where you download your script file. So here you can see script file in zip format. First I'll unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more, then extract. Okay, now script file unzip successful. Open unzip folder, then long press on folder, click on more, then properties, copy full path. Now script location copied successfully. Go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. Then continue process. CD space paste a script location which you copied. Then enter ls, enter php bot.php, then enter. Now put here your account username on which you create account and given in website. Okay, then enter. So now here you have required password, account password. Provide here your account password, then enter. So here you can see account is connected successfully. So wait for 1 minute to add your balance to earn PayPal money. So here you can see I received 0.003 and it's added my balance. My balance also increased. So script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me. And Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.